Welcome back. I've been wanting to order some parts from Peter Anson in Australia for a while now, but I kept putting it off. But after some recent events, I finally did. They just showed up at my door, so let's dig in and see what I got and how they fared the trip. Alright, we got our package. Honestly, a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but looks like it held up pretty well. I've definitely seen worse from a lot shorter. Got our trusty razor knife here. Here's a cutout diagram for the vents we bought. Plenty of packaging material. Loose nut. Probably for this. All very well packaged. Thanks, Peter. Kind of already saw the diagram. What we have. One Sonex vent. Metal insert. Two Sonex vents. Metal insert and hardware. Next up, we have an upgraded tail wheel push rod. This is similar to what I have now with the heim ends on each end, but this one has the bend. Very cool. And here we have the main reason I put this order in. It's an upgraded canopy latch for the Sonex. In here. Look at that. That is a beautiful piece of engineering. And all the hardware necessary, of course. Now you can see that everything here has some bits that were 3D printed. And I'll be bringing you some content on that process too. Well, thank you, Peter, and well done. These are all beautiful pieces and they all arrived without a scratch. Well, that's what I got, and rest assured I'll have some more videos coming up on them as well. We'll get everything installed and see how they perform. Thanks for watching.